On the 15th of June 2016, a workshop of the latter project was held in the framework of the EDDs, the European Development Days in Brussels. The event was entitled Localizing Sustainable Development Goals and Owning the Global Development Agenda. We have interviewed some of the participants and asked two main questions. Whether the SDGs are currently being well implemented on a local level, and what will be the next challenges that we will have to face.
Each community has its own priority from the SDGs, and that's a challenge. So they are not all implemented now, but each community is working on a specific thing. So I think afterward they need to work on them all.
I personally think that SDGs at local level are not implemented as they could be. I think that the next step is to take awareness of that the saying act locally, think globally is not just a saying, it is actually true. So when we will have the awareness that we can make the difference at the local level, because we live at the local level, so we can take changes at the local level, we will have a process, a virtuous process that will lead to development of SDGs goals in every.
No, SDGs are not at all implemented at the local level, and actually because there's a lack of awareness in the very actors, the stakeholders at the local level, both on the public side, local authorities, and even on the private sector, because even companies don't think about SDGs. The crucial problem is to network these kind of stakeholders and to empower their capacities in order to understand the relevance of SDGs for their future, both for private sector, because it can be very profitable, and for the public sector, which can have a high return in terms of image and of development.
SDGs are being implemented at the local level since September 2015. It's been a bit more than 6 months, and still there are quite important challenges to be faced. First, to raise awareness of citizens, local authorities, CSOs on what SDGs can bring to them, and they can bring a lot. Two, to engage all these different partners, populations, local authorities, CSO, national governments, to work together in order to implement the SDGs. So in order to do so, we are forming an alliance with ALDA and with a lot of CSOs, networks, and also local authorities networks, but directly also youth organization, women organization, in order to see how we can all work together in order to implement SDGs at the local level.